Today let's make some yummy chicken spring rolls. Follow along for a step-by-step recipe. Put some oil in the pan. Then add 2 pounds of shredded chicken. I have boiled this chicken in salt, black pepper and ginger garlic paste. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt or according to your taste. Then 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper and 2 teaspoons of crushed black pepper. You can adjust these spices according to your taste, but as a family, we like it a little bit spicy. Now give everything a good mix and then put it on medium heat and then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of any hot sauce of your choice. Again, mix it all together and start adding your veggies. I'm adding cabbage, carrot, bell pepper and spring onion. Make sure all the veggies are nicely chopped, then mix it well and add half a cup of water. Cover the pan and cook it for about 10 minutes so that everything is nicely cooked. When it's done, let it cool down and add shredded cheddar cheese in it. Mix it and now it's time to roll. When rolling it, make sure you add enough filling and roll it really tight, otherwise at the time of frying it will become soggy. I have kept these rolling steps extra slow in this video for you guys to understand. I use 2 sheets of spring roll to make it extra crunchy and crispy, but obviously it's my personal preference. You can use 1 sheet as well. After rolling into the second sheet with the same steps, I will seal it with the paste of flour and water. And now it's ready. You can either deep fry it or air fry it.